Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish. Sour fish soup is one of the national dishes of the southwest region, especially famous during the flood season. How to make. Prepare ingredients. Ling fish, 400 g, choose fresh fish. Ripe tamarind, 50 g, or depending on the desired sourness. Mint 1 to 2 plants. Okra, 5 to 7 fruits. Tomato, 2 fruits. Bean sprouts, 100 g. Pineapples, 1/4 fruit. Seasoning. Vegetables, coriander, basil, chili slices. Seasoning, fish sauce, sugar, salt, MSG, optional. Steps to make. Prepare ingredients. Ling fish, wash and drain. You can marinate with a little salt and pepper to make the fish firmer. Ripe tamarind, mashed tamarind with about half a cup of hot water, filter out the seeds, and take the juice. Mint, peel, cut diagonally, squeeze with a little salt, then wash and drain. Okra, cut diagonally. Tomato, cut into wedges. Pineapple, cut into bite-sized pieces. Seasoning, chop coriander and vegetable. Soup, place the pot on the stove, add about 1 liter of filtered water and bring to a boil. When the water boils, add tamarind juice. Season with 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, depending on taste. Add pineapple and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add tomatoes and okra one by one. When the water boils again, gently add Ling fish. Ling fish cooks very quickly. You only need to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the fish is cooked. Do not stir vigorously to avoid breaking the fish. Finally, add mint and bean sprouts, bring to a boil and turn off the heat. Presentation and enjoy. Ladle the soup into a bowl. Sprinkle with leaves, chopped coriander, and chili slices on top. Sour fish Ling soup should be served hot. Enjoy the soup with white rice or vermicelli. The ideal dipping sauce is pure fish sauce with a few slices of chili. Things to note: to keep the soup clear and delicious, skim off the foam frequently during the cooking process. Ling fish is very soft, so add it last and do not stir, just shake the pot gently. You can add a little fried onion fat to the soup before turning off the heat to increase the fat and aroma. Sour fish Ling soup is one of the national dishes of the southwest region, especially famous during the flood season. This soup is a harmonious combination of the cool sour taste of tamarind, the sweet taste of sugar, the mild spiciness of chili, along with the characteristic fatty sweetness of plump Ling fish. Ling fish sour soup is not only a great cooling dish but also brings a rustic flavor, full of hometown love. Thank you very much for accompanying. See you in the next videos with many attractive dishes.